I'm going to show you how you can easily connect Outlook to Uipath. First, open Google Chrome and search for Uipath. Now click on the first link and then click on Try Uipath Free. Next, click on Continue with Microsoft and select your account. Then click on Accept and select your country or region. After that, check the box and click on Next. Now enter the cloud organization name and click on Create Organization. Once it's created, select the template and click on Try It. Now, click on Next and select Outlook from the options. Then, click on Let's Go. Here, search for Outlook and click on it. Now, click on Connect to Microsoft OneDrive and SharePoint. Then select the environment and click on Connect. Next, pick the account and scroll down to click on Accept. Finally, as you can see, Outlook is now connected.